Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Review. If you're getting the error, this application has requested the runtime to terminate it in an unusual way. Don't worry, this video will help you fix it easily. To fix it, click on the Start menu, type Control. After appearing the control panel, click on it. Under the program, click on Uninstaller Program. Now, look for Microsoft Visual C++ x64 and Microsoft Visual C++ x86. Double-click on any Visual C++ item, click on Yes and click on Uninstall. Do the same processes for the another one. After completing the installation, restart the computer. Open the browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++ and press Enter. From the search result, open the first link, scroll down and find this section. From this section, download the vc_redis.x86 and vc_redis.x64. By clicking on them, download will start automatically. Please wait until finishing the download. After finishing the download, go to the downloaded folder and double-click on a downloaded file. Accept the license agreement. Click on Install. After finishing the installation, click on Close. Similarly, install the next downloaded file. After installing the both file, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem solved. If it did not resolve the problem, we'll repair Windows system files. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, then choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds problems, Windows will automatically fix them. Next, type the command to repair the Windows image. DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. This may take some time, so be patient. When it finishes successfully, you're almost done. Now restart your PC and open the application again. In most cases, the runtime error will be completely fixed. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.